questions solved in this video. So the first question is complete the following activity to solve simultaneous equation, where we have already given 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, first equation. Second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So let's add both the equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Here we need to find value of x and y. So first we will add the equations, where 5x plus 3y is equal to 9 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So by adding 5x plus 2x is 7x, 3y and minus 3y will get cancelled, and 9 plus 12 will be 21. So the value of x will be 21. When the 7 comes to the right hand side, it will come in the denominator. 7 ones are 7 and 7 threes are 23. So the value of x is 3. Now we will place this value of x is equal to 3 in equation 1. So 5x, x is 3 plus 3y is equal to 9, where 3y is equal to 9. 5 into 3 is 15. This 15 will come on right hand side, so it will become minus 15. Whenever the positive sign is coming to the right hand side, it will change the sign to itself. The positive will become negative and negative will become positive. So 9 minus 15, that is 9 minus 15 is 6. It will be minus 6, sign of the bigger number. So minus 6 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Y is equal to minus 2. Always pay attention to the negative sign. So the x is 3 and y is minus 2. Let's move on to second question. Solve the following simultaneous equation, where we have already two equations given. Here we need to find the value of x and y. If there is any different variable given, here it is a and b, so we need to find the value of a and b. Solution. First equation, 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Be this equation number 1. A plus 5b is equal to 22. Be this equation number 2. Here both the equations have similar 5b. Also they have similar signs, plus 5b plus 5b. So we will try subtracting the equations. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Okay. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 minus a plus 5b is equal to 22. Whenever there is a subtraction, the signs over here gets changed. Positive a will become minus a, plus 5b will become minus 5b, and this will become as minus 22b. So 26 minus 22, 26 minus 22 is 4, plus 5b and minus 5b will get cancelled. 3a minus 1a will be 2a. Here a is alone, that means there is 1. So a is equal to 4 upon 2. A is equal to 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now put a is equal to 2 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. 3, value of a is 2, plus 5b is equal to 26. 3 twos are 6, plus 5b is equal to 26. Therefore 5b is equal to 26. If this 6 comes to the right hand side, it will become minus 6. 5b is equal to 20. b is equal to 20 upon 5. Therefore b is equal to 4. So the solution is a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. Moving on to second question. Here we have two equations given, x plus 7y is equal to 10 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Solution. Write down both the equations. X plus 7y is equal to 10. Be this as equation 1. 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Be this as equation 2. Here in both the equation there is nothing common, no numbers, no variables, no coefficients are common in any equation. So to make it easier, We can add or we can subtract or we can try multiplying any equation. So here we will try multiplying the equation. Okay, multiply equation 1 by 3. If we multiply this equation by 3, we will get 3x common in both the equations. So multiply equation 1 by 3. Okay, so first equation, equation number 1, x plus 7y is equal to 10 multiplied by number 3. So x into 3 is 3x plus 7 into 3 plus into plus is 21y is equal to 10 into 3 is 30. This will be our equation number 3. Here we will substitute or we will subtract equation 2 from 3. 3x plus 21y is equal to 30, and second equation 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. It is subtraction, so here it is minus sign. In subtraction, the sign of these numbers will get changed. This equation will change. So plus 3 will become as minus 3, minus 2 will become as plus 2, and plus 7 will become as minus 7. So here 30 minus 7 is 23 plus 21y plus 2y. Plus into plus is plus. 21 plus 2 is 23. Sign of the bigger number. Both have same plus sign, so it will be plus 23y. And 3x minus 3x will get cancelled. So y 23y is equal to 23. Okay, y will be 23 divided by 23. We will get value of y is 1. 23 into 1, 23 into 1. Now put this value of y in equation 1. Put y is equal to 1 in equation 1. So first equation is x plus 7 y is equal to 10. X plus 7 into 1 is equal to 10. X plus 7 is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10. This 7 will come on right hand side. Plus 7 will become minus 7. And we will get value of x as 3. So the solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. If you have any doubts, any questions, you can surely let me know in comments so that I can answer you there and then. Now we will move on to the next question. Question number 3. Even here we have two equations given. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. And another equation 2x plus y is equal to 13. We will write down both the equations here. Let this be equation number 1 and let this be equation number 2. Even here we need to find out value of x and y. So as we have 2x common in both the equations, let us subtract. Whenever there is something common and both have same signs, we can try subtracting the equation directly. Subtract equation 1 from 2. Why equation 1 from 2? Because y has this value number 9 less than number 13 from equation 2. Okay, so 2x plus y is equal to 13 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. As this is a subtraction, the sign is going to change for all the numbers in equation this one. In equation 1, 2x will become minus 2x, minus 3y will become plus 3y because minus into minus will become plus, plus 9 will become minus 9 because minus into plus will become minus. Okay, your 13 minus 9 is 4, plus 2x minus 2x gets cancelled, plus y and plus 3y. Plus into plus is plus. Here y is alone, that means here the coefficient of y is 1. So 1y plus 3y is 4y is equal to 4. Therefore y is equal to 4 upon 4. Here value of y is 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones are 4. We got value of y as 1. Now put this y is equal to 1 in equation 2. What is equation 2? 2x plus y is equal to 13. Therefore, 2x plus y is 1 is equal to 13. 2x is equal to 13. This 1 will come this side and it will become as minus 1. So, 13 minus 1 is equal to 12. So, x is equal to 12 divided by 2. We will get value of x is equal to 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. X is equal to 6. So, the solution is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 1. If you have any confusion here, do let me know in comment section with the question number and paste the question so that I can easily answer your query there. Moving on to next question. Here we need to find value of m and n. We have two equations. Let us write down both the equations here. 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. Whenever there is a change in variables, do not panic. If it is m, no need to get panic that how we will solve m or n, as we already have a habit of finding x and y. This can be m or n. You can get p or q, and you can get a and b, anything. Now second equation is m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. Let this be equation number 2. And m can also be written as minus 7 plus 6n. Okay. Substitute this value of m in equation 1. First equation is 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. 5 into value of this n minus 7 plus 6n minus this minus 3n will come down is equal to 19. So 5 into minus 7 is minus 35 plus into plus is plus, 5 6 is 30, n, this minus 3n will come down is equal to 19. So minus 35, here both have n common in both. Here n is common for both. So plus into minus, we need to minus, and whatever the value comes in, the sign of the bigger number will take place. So the sign of the bigger number is plus 30 minus 3 is 27, and n will remain as it is equal to 19. So 27n is equal to 19. This minus 35 will come on the right hand side. It will become plus 35. So 27n is equal to 54. Here we can find out value of n. N is equal to 54 divided by 27. So 27 ones are 27 and 27 twos are 54. So n is equal to 2. We got 2. Now place this n is equal to, put n is equal to 2 in equation 3. Equation 3 is m is equal to minus 7 plus 6n is equal to minus 7 plus 6 into n is equal to 2. Minus 7 plus 12. So minus into plus is minus. We need to subtract. 12 minus 7 is 5. And sign of the bigger number is plus. So we got m is equal to 5. Solution. M is equal to 5 and n is equal to 2. I hope it was easy to solve these equations till now. If you have any query, do let me know. We will take another question now. Here we need to find value of x and y. Let us write down both the equations first. 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Be this as equation 1. Second equation, x plus 5y is equal to 4. While writing down the equation, please pay attention to the signs that is already given in the equation. Here, check this second equation, x plus 5y is equal to 4. X can also be written as 4 minus 5y. If this 5y comes on the right hand side, it will become as minus 5y. And mark this as equation number 3. This we are doing because to make one equation little easier. Now substitute value of x in equation 1. Okay. So first equation is 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. 5. What is the value of x? 4 minus 5y is equal to minus 3. 5 4s are 20. Plus into minus is minus. 5 5s are 25. And this y. See, here I forgot to mention plus 2y. Here it is plus 2y missing. We will take down plus 2y is equal to minus 3. You need to be careful when we calculate or when we multiply. We need to also check this value which is there. This is a silly mistakes which may happen in while solving the question, and we may end up getting incorrect answers. So 20 plus into minus is minus. 25 minus 2y is 23y. Sign of the bigger number minus 23y is equal to minus 3. Okay, so this minus 23y is equal to this minus 3 upon this minus 3 plus 20. When this 20 goes to the right hand side, it will become minus 20. So minus into minus will be plus. We need to add 20 plus 3 is equal to 20. But the sign will be of greater number, which is also minus. This will become 23. This will become minus 23. So minus 23y is equal to minus 23. Here we solving it further, y is equal to minus 23 upon minus 23. Here we will get value of y is equal to 1. Minus minus cancel and 23 gets cancelled. Y is equal to 1. Put this value of y is equal to 1 in equation 2. Second equation is x plus 5y is equal to 4. X plus 5 into y is equal to 4. X plus 5 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 minus 5. If this 5 comes on the right hand side, it becomes minus 5. X is equal to, plus into minus is minus, 5 minus 4 is 1, but sign will be of the bigger number, that is minus 1. So solution, x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to plus 1. Moving on to next equations. If you see, there is a fractions given in the question. That is, first equation is 1 by 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. Mark this as equation 1. Second equation is 2x plus 1 upon 4 y is equal to 11 by 4. Whenever we get these types of equations which are in fractions, we can try making it easier. We don't need to panic, or we don't need to get confused that how this equation is possible. We can try solving it further to make the equations little easier. How to make it easier? First we will multiply equation number 1 by 3. Multiply equation 1 by number 3. Okay. So first equation is 1 upon 3 x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. Multiply this into 3. So 1 upon 3x into x into 3 plus y into 3 is equal to 10 upon 3 into 3. Solving it further, we will get 3x upon 3 plus 3y is equal to 10 into 3 is 30 upon 3. So 3x and 3x upon 3, this 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. We will get x plus 3y is equal to 3 ones, here 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 3 tens are 30. Okay, is equal to 10. X plus 3y is equal to 10. We will get one equation. It is a simple equation here. Now we will try solving equation number 2 in same way. Here we will multiply equation number 2 by number 4. Multiply equation 2 by number 4. Okay, 2x plus 1 upon 4 y is equal to 11 upon 4. 2x into 4 plus 1 upon 4 y into 4 is equal to 11 upon 4 into 4. 2x into 4 is 2 4s are 8 and x plus 1 into 4 is 4y upon 4 is equal to 11 into 4 is 44 upon 4. So 8x plus this 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4 plus y is equal to 4 ones are 4 and 4 into 11 is 44. 11. This we got another simple equation. Mark this as equation number 4. Now check both the equations number 3 and number 4. Equation number 3 and equation number 4. Here nothing is common between two of them. Either we can multiply equation number 3 by 8 to get 8x here, or else we can multiply equation number 4 by 3 to get 3y here. So always select the smaller number. We will try multiplying equation number 4 by number 3. So multiplying equation number 4 by 3, 8x plus y is equal to 11 into 3. So 8 into 3 is 24. 24x plus y into 3 is 3y is equal to 11 into 3 is 33. This will become our equation number 5, where we have plus 3 and plus 3 common in equation 3 and equation 5. So we will subtract equation number 3 from equation 5. Write down both the equations. This is equation number 5 and this is equation number 3. Okay, as we are subtracting, the signs of the numbers will get changed. Plus x will become minus x, plus 3y will become minus 3y, and plus 10 will become minus 10. So 33 minus 10 will be 23, plus 3y and minus 3y will get cancelled. 24x minus x will be 23x is equal to 23. So x is equal to 23 upon 23. 23 ones are 23 ones are. So x is equal to 1. Here put x is equal to 1 in equation 3. Equation 3 is x plus 3y is equal to 10. You can select any equation to substitute the value of 1. We are taking equation number 3 here because x is alone. We can easily substitute the value. So x is 1 plus 3y is equal to 10. So 3y is equal to 10. This plus 1 will come on right hand side. It will become minus 1. 3y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 divided by 3. So we will get y is equal to 1. 9 is equal to 3 ones are. 9 is equal to 3. Solution. Value of x is 1 and y is 3. Let us take another question. Seventh equations. We need to solve seventh equation from question number 2. Write down both the equations here. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499 and 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. If you see such big numbers, do not panic or do not hesitate to solve the equations. Here as we see, the numbers or the coefficients are repeated. That is 99 is repeated in second equation as well and 101 is repeated in second equation as well. Okay, in both the equations it is repeated, but variables are variables x and y are different for both the coefficients in equations. Okay, if here it is 99x, here it is 99y. The variables are interchanged. So in such cases, we will directly add and we will directly subtract. First we have to add and then we have to subtract to get a simple equation. Okay, let's try adding both equation. Adding both the equation. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. On adding, we get 200x plus 200y is equal to 1000. Okay, here all the numbers, that is 200, 200 and 1000 comes in, can be easily divided and we can get an easy equation. So let us divide with the same number. Let us divide with 200. Okay, this number, let us divide this one by 200. For the solving, divide by 200. 200 ones are 200, 200 ones are 200, 200 ones are 200, and here it will come as 5. 200 into 5 is 1000. Okay, so we get this x plus this y is equal to 5. This is very simple equation that we have got here. Okay, 3. Now we will now subtract the equation. Here subtracting both equation. Subtracting both equation, that is we will subtract equation 1 from 2. Okay, 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. As we are going to subtract, this 99 will become minus 99, this plus 101 will become minus 101, and this 499 will become minus 499. We will get 101x minus 99x is 2x, plus into minus is minus, sign of the bigger number is 101, minus 101 minus 99 is 2, y will come as it is equal to 501 minus 499 is 2. Therefore, we will divide by the common number, divide by 2. 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. We will divide by 2. Both sides we will divide. 2 ones are 2 ones are and 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So the value of x minus y is equal to 1. Let this be equation number 4. Now we will try adding both the new equations that we have got. So the new equations, equation number 3 and equation number 4 are x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. Just check if it is correct. X plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. Okay. As we are adding it, we will get x plus x is 2x plus y minus y will get cancelled. 5 minus 1 is 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4 upon 2. X is equal to 2. Now put this x is equal to, as we are adding it, we will get 5 plus 1 as 6. And here we will get x is equal to 6 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. Here value of 2x will be x is equal to 3. This you need to keep in mind that we are adding it. Such types of mistakes will come to a wrong answer, like how we did now. Now put this value of x is equal to 3 in equation 4. X minus y is equal to 1. This is equation number 4. So x is 3 minus y is equal to 1, and minus y is equal to 1. If this 3 comes to the other side, it will become minus 3 minus y is equal to plus minus 2. Minus 3 plus 1. Minus into plus is minus. 3 minus 1 is 2. Sign of the bigger number. Y is equal to 2. Minus minus gets cancelled. So the solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Let's move on to the last question of this exercise. Last question is, again we have two equations given. 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. 5x, sorry, it is 57x. 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. Be very careful while writing down the equations from the question. Even here, if you see, these numbers are interchanged in both the equations, and the variables are also interchanged. So as we tried in earlier example, first we will add or first we will subtract. Let's start with addition of both the equations, adding equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. On adding, we get 106x minus 106y is equal to 224. As 106 is common, we will divide this, or we will divide both sides by 106. 106x minus 106y is equal to 224. Divide both sides by 106. This will get cancelled. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 106 into 1, 106 into 4. X minus y is 4. We will get a new equation. We will mark this as equation number 3. Okay. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay. Equation 1 from equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Write down second equation, 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. Always cross check if this equation we have written down is correct and matches with the given in question. 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. As we are subtracting this, 49 will become minus 49, 57 minus 57 will become plus 57, plus 172 will become minus 172. On solving it further, we will get 8x plus into minus is minus, sign of the bigger number, plus 8y is equal to 80. Plus into minus is minus 80. As here 8 is common in the equation, we will divide both the side by number 8. Divide both side by 8. So 8x plus 8y is equal to 80. Divide both sides by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8 and 8 tens are 80. So x plus y is equal to 10. Let this be equation number 4. Now adding equation number 3 and 4. This is x plus y is 10. And what is equation number 3? X minus y is 3. If we add both the equation, we will get the value of x. Adding equation 3 and equation 4. Okay. Equation number 3 is x minus y is equal to 4. Let's check. 8x minus y is equal to 4. And equation number 4, x plus y is equal to 10. So 10 plus 4 is 14. Plus and minus y gets cancelled. 2x is equal to 14. So 2x is equal to 14. On solving it further, we will get 14 divided by 2. X is equal to 7. 2 ones are and 2 sevens are 14. Put x is equal to 7 in equation 3. X minus y is equal to 4 is equation 3. X is 7 minus y is equal to 4. Minus y is equal to 4 minus 7. So minus y is equal to minus 3. Minus and minus gets cancelled. Y is equal to 3. Solution: x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. This was the end of exercise 1.1 for linear equations in two variables, where we have learned to find the value of x and y in the given equations from the given equations in question. You can try solving the textbook questions multiple times, at least try solving it 2 to 3 times in a book. Write down the question, try solving the questions by looking at the videos. Do let me know in comment section how was my explanation. Do let me know if the video is very fast, if the video is very slow, or I need to little speed up my speed. In case if you have any doubt, do post your question in comment section. Thank you.